Welcome children in chemistry class. Children, I am going to teach you about modern atomic concept. Children, you studied atom is the individual and invisible smallest particle of the element, and atom of the same elements are alike, but atoms of different elements are different. You studied Dalton's atomic theory. According to Dalton's atomic theory, each element is composed of very small particles, and that very small particles are called atoms. Atoms of a particular elements are alike, but atoms of different elements are different. According to John Dalton, atoms are indestructible. It means atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Atoms of various elements take part in a chemical reaction and form molecule. Atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio of a whole number to form compound atom, and that compound atom now is called molecule. But children, Dalton's atomic theory could not explain why atoms of an element differ in their masses. When we are taking atoms of an elements, they are differing in their mass. Their atomic number is the same, but mass numbers are different. So why these differences are coming? Dalton's atomic theory could not explain. Then this led to the discovery of three subatomic particles of the atom, and modern scientists like Sir J.J. Thomson, Goldstein, Chadwick, Rutherford, Madame Curie worked, and they have proposed the modern atomic theory. According to the modern atomic theory, atom is made up of three subatomic particles. In that three subatomic particles of the atom, first particle is electron. Electron is the first particle. Second particle is proton, and third particle is neutron. So atom is made up of these three subatomic particles. Earlier was told atom is the indivisible, smallest particle. So the atom was indivisible, smallest particles. But now, according to the modern scientist, atom is made up of three subatomic particles. So subatomic particles. So what are the subatomic particles? First particle is electron, second particle is proton, and third particle is neutron. So these are the three subatomic particles. Electron was discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson. Sir J.J. Thomson discovered electron. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. neutron was discovered by Chadwick. So Chadwick discovered neutron. In that, proton and neutron both are present in the center of the atom. Electrons revolve around that. So this is coming in the modern atomic theory. So children, you have to keep in mind, according to the modern atomic theory, atom is made up of three subatomic particles: electron, proton and neutron. Electron is the negative charge particles, proton is the positive charge particles, and neutron is the neutral particles. Proton and neutrons are present in the center of the atom. That portion is called nucleus, and electrons revolve around the nucleus in their different orbit.